Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a fun, almost no measuring card alternative with the Love and Gratitude September 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let's get started.
Trim one seam of the bag and trim two seams on the envelopes so that you can lay the pieces out flat. Then cut off the excess white piece of the envelope. Still need to trim the envelope a little bit more, so trim one of the edges straight. Use the edge of a bone folder to rub out the score line that was on the envelope. The busy pattern will also help hide it. Place the patterned envelope piece at a diagonal across the front of a piece of basic white cardstock. Add liquid glue and adhere the piece down. Line up one of the Lost Lagoon card bases along the edge of the pattern piece and adhere that down. Add liquid glue to the remaining section and line up the bag piece next, avoiding the score lines. Flip the entire thing over, let it set for a moment, and trim off one or two edges, enough that we can get it in the trimmer. I'm trimming this edge again because it was a little bit wonky with using just the scissors. Flip the piece as necessary so that you can always have a straight edge at the top. My final piece is about 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. After placing the piece on a silicone craft mat, I'm using the tear and tape that was in the kit and covering up the seam. The tape will not stick to the mat. Pick it up and fold the ends over and remove the liner. Then cover the short vertical seam with the tear and tape. Again, folding the edge over and removing the liner. Press pieces of gilded leafing all along the tear and tape. This stuff is light, so please do not do this next to an open window or with a fan on. Ask me how I know. Once every millimeter is covered, close the lid on the gilded leafing. Use a clean blending brush to rub over the top of the leafing. Off camera, I used a baby wipe to clean up the little bits of gilded leafing on the mat. I used watercolor pencils to add more detail to the die cuts that were in the kit. Here you can see the difference between the altered version and the plain one. In person, it's even more noticeable. The colored pencils I used did not match the color list exactly, but the hue did. I added a Pebbled Path mat to my decorative piece. I adhered the leaves and pumpkins from the kit with a combination of dimensionals and Stampin' Seal. Then I added the whole thing to a basic white card base. For more inspiration, visit my blog at If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!